in the society.
In a bid to boost their business sector and enhance financial inclusion, DIB Bank Kenya Limited has officially launched its new branch in South Sea, Nairobi. Speaking to the press during the unveiling, key stakeholders expressed confidence in the bank's steady growth within the Kenyan market, noting that the new branch is a strategic move aimed at bringing services closer to the community and expanding their footprint across the country.
We have SMEs opening branches here, extending into this area. We have a lot of real estate happening here.
The idea is to get closer to our customers. We have many customers in South Sea, and opening the branch is, we believe, the right thing. Certainly this is something we are looking forward to getting involved more in the local community.
We will not worry about that, where we will bank the money or we will be having a branch. So we are so grateful and happy with the DIB Islamic Bank, the way they are opening more branches, and we tell them and encourage to continue opening more branches.
All right, with that, we've come to the end of this edition of Business Prime. My name is Kelvin Nyakundi. Have a wonderful night.